Oh, welcome back. All right, so we're done with your laboratory, the lab details. So we've completed everything that has to do with laboratory details, the address, the phone number, the email, logo, and brand color. So the next one is set up test catalog. So it said import test from the master library and set your prices. What we did with LabCona is that we have preloaded LabCona with 200 plus lab tests, 200 plus lab tests. So what you need to do is to just select the lab tests, all the lab tests, the tests you conduct in your laboratory, then add your pricing. If you want to do some editing, you can do those editings and you begin. So that's how we built LabCona. So we didn't want delays. We just wanted to just sign up, create your account, and get started within 1 hour or so. So to do that, you say we'll go to go this place. Either you use this go button or you come here, see test catalog, you see, to bring you to this page. You see the page? So let me go back to dashboard. So, and let's go from here. So you can see it brought us to this same page. You can see no test yet. No test yet. So we can add categories, but no category can add categories. But for now, let's leave that. We already have over 200 tests here. So to get that, to access that, see, just come here, sync test. Click on this button, sync test. So you can see 200 tests, lab tests, already imported tests are grayed out and skipped automatically. So anyone that you've imported will be grayed out. So you won't be able to import them. So there won't be duplicates and all of that. So you can see we have so many of them, 200 of them. You can search for test. So let's just see. I want to search for complete no, not complete. I think it's a full. Yeah. This is a full blood count. Full blood count. So all you need to do is just check the box. Then you can select another one. You can look for another one. Let's say malaria. You check, so you can see import text. That means you've selected two, so only two text. So it's telling you it's asking if you should import the two text. And let's see another one. Sorry. So pregnancy text. You can select as many as you want. You can select them at a time, as many as you, just the test you offer in your laboratory. So I'm just going to do with this, make do with these three. So just click on import. So you see them, they appear here. Remember, no test initially, but now we have three we just imported. So you can edit them. You can even delete and import another. Maybe you mistakenly imported one that you don't use, that you don't offer in your laboratory. You can delete it, then see, go back here, sync, and you can still import another, let's say chest x-ray, import. So you can see there are now 4. You can see test is now 4. So that's how it works. So you can edit it. Let's edit this. So once you click on that button or that icon, you can see, you can change the name if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. can change the code, the test code if you want, you know. Okay, this is the category. We didn't create category earlier, so I guess I think you should be able to, you should create categories first. But if you don't, you see, it doesn't matter, you know. So this is sample type, is blood. We have various sample types here, you know, so many sample type. But for this test is blood, full blood count. Sample type is blood. Then the sample volume, 3 ml. You can change it. Like I said, you can edit anything. You can customize it to suit your need. Then the container type for this is the EDTA tube, purple top. You know, you can also edit that. Description, complete blood count including RB, RBC, WBC, you know, platelets, hemoglobin, PCV, you know, that's what it includes. Then instruction for patient, no special preparation required, you know. So these things are already preloaded for you, so it makes it a lot more easier. Then parameters, you can see the parameters are already loaded for you, preloaded for you. So you can see that, you know. You can also do changes if you won't feel that some things are not accurate to you. You can always edit anything here. You can always change any value here. You know, it's up to you. It's up to you. Then you have, you can, if there's still, maybe there's a parameter that is not here, you can add another parameter by clicking this button, and it will appear here at the bottom. Let me do this. So at the bottom you see an empty one here that you can fill up, you know. Select the type, you know. I'm going to delete this. So you can delete any of the parameters. Then pricing, this is where you can now set your pricing. See the turnaround time. If you feel this is inaccurate, you can edit it. Like I said, you can edit anything here. You can edit anything here. Then you can add your price. Let's say 50,000 naira. Then this is the summary of everything. Parameter 13. Then when you're done, you click on update. So you see, it now has a price, 50,000 naira. Okay, so when we go back to the dashboard now, you can see it shows that setup test catalog is done. So that is it. All right, see you in the next video.